tour of this new year-round destination for the arts.
Sure, Philly has the World Cafe, the Kimmel Center, and the Man. But where can you watch live music with a backdrop like this? Nowhere but the Lehigh Valley.
It's an amazing place.
This is Steel Stacks, Lehigh Valley's bold new performing arts center that is turning the decaying grounds of Bethlehem Steel into a world-class entertainment destination.
Altogether, it's 10 acres dedicated to arts, culture, and education here in the middle of an old steel plant, which is totally unusual.
Jeff Parks is head of Arts Quest, which this month opened one of the center's first venues, the Music Fest Cafe, an intimate cabaret-style concert room that will host big acts, including Pat Benatar, Bella Flack, and The Daily Show's John Oliver. All of them doing their thing in front of the wickedly awesome blast furnaces.
The blast furnaces that are behind me are illuminated every night with LED lighting, and nobody in the room is more than 50 feet from the stage, so it's a fantastic way to see it and hear a concert.
Painted in orange and decked out with disco balls, Steel Stacks promises to pack in the biggest stars, hottest indie films, world-class art, and family-friendly entertainment. 1,200 performances, 365 days a year, most of which will be absolutely free. Another exciting part of the Steel Stacks Arts venue is still under construction. Look down there. That's going to be the Levitt Pavilion, a sort of mini man center. Debbie and Donna McEwen drove down from the Poconos to check it out.
To see the arts, you have to travel into Manhattan, which could be a chore. Parking can be expensive and so on. And it's nice to have something local that you can just go for the day.
To have this new art place right next to the art of what we had in our past is just one of the things that makes this place so special.
In Bethlehem, Stacey Stauffer, NBC 10 News.
All right, now the forecast.